Wait, does that mean I could puff out of my mouth, though? Is it possible?
It's not really possible. Yeah, it's possible. Okay. Ooh, that's a lot. Look at that, you guys. This is Emily doing the cinnamon challenge. Please bless this lady.
You better not make fun of me, Alvaro. Because you're dead meat.
Hopefully you won't even see this. Okay.
Do I have to?
Yes.
Dude, I can gain weight.
You can. Such a girl. Okay, come on.
This is a lot, but okay.
Just swallow it all. Just get it all wet and swallow. Swallow. It's got in my face. Oh, Jesus. Watch that out. It's okay, Emily. Woo! Ooh! Oh! I told you. I got all up on my.
What the F?
Man. Dang.
Don't.
Okay. Don't do the cinnamon challenge, please.
Don't ever.
Dang.
Don't ever do the cinnamon challenge at home. Bye.